Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Guys, I haven't been able to touch these in a while. Got lucky, was able to buy this one earlier. Had to hide it back here at the back of the lot just to keep it long enough to shoot a video on it. So please, please, please call before coming to look if this is something you're interested in, because I've never seen travel trailers take off like they have been, guys. Today we're going to look, it's a little bit older, but guys, right now I'll take any travel trailer I can buy that's in good shape. This is a 2006 Keystone Cougar. Model is a 302 RLS. It's 33 feet long, has 2 slides, rear lounge floor plan, and weighs 8,010 pounds. And is very, very clean on the outside. A couple of things are on the inside. A couple of things on the outside I'll show you. Like most Keystones of that era, striping on the front on the decal is pretty much gone. The stripes look great. Outside looks good. Does not include an awning, guys. I'm trying to keep the price down at $10,900. So at $10,900, it's going to include a full checkout, includes a warranty, but does not include an awning. If I can get an awning, if you want one, I can probably get you a pretty basic manual awning put on for about $1,000, $1,100 if I can find one. Guys, thanks to COVID RV sales 2020, parts have just become a very sought after commodity. So, you know, I can't guarantee you I can get you an awning if you decide you want one. I think this awning's been off for several years, so I don't really think it's affected using it. Outside looks really good. Got a little spot of delamination on the back. Not too bad at all, but you got to realize, guys, this thing's 15 years old. But the inside makes up for it. Inside is very, very nice. 302 RLS, 2 slides, both on the opposite side. So they're on the same, so it kind of helps you out as far as getting into a site. If you're in a tight spot, at least both your slides are on the same side. And I got this one hid, so you probably have to ask for it when you get here, so we can show you where it's at. Got the big deep slide. These are 36-inch deep slides. Tires look great. We just hauled this thing about 450 miles roughly. One little spot right here on one of the stripes. Of course, 30 amp electrical service. Lots of windows. You know, this is the camper that can be a dual purpose camper. It can be one for camping. It can be one for semi-permanent or permanent residence. I mean, it's kind of right there in that middle area. And at 8,000 pounds, that's in range for many of today's half-ton pickup trucks. Not all, but many. And of course, guys, you know, I can get you a basic awning about $1,000, $1,100 if they're available. You know, if you want a power awning, that's going to be a little bit more. Just check with me when you decide to buy it, or check with your salesperson. They'll check with me, and I'll let you know what the price and availability is on an awning. Right now, there's hardly any at all in the country, but like roof air conditioners, they have just, like toilet paper was a few weeks ago, or a couple of months ago. It's crazy. Let's look inside. We're going to make this pretty quick because I don't have any power hooked up to it, and it's pretty warm in here. But this is a clean camper, guys. Looks like the original carpet. Doesn't look like it's been a live-in unit. I mean, got the rear lounge, got the 2 chairs in the back, the big picture windows. You know, I know it's got a little delam on the outside, but no signs of water intrusion on the back wall. I really looked that over myself before buying it. So the back wall, and you always want to look in the corners, especially an older RV. You always want to look in the corners. Table and chairs, got a sleeper sofa. It sleeps 4 with room for a air mattress or a pallet to sleep more. 6 cubic foot RV refrigerator freezer, which is pretty standard back then. 15,000 BTU ducted roof air. It's got a place for a TV. And of course, guys, we're still going to do our world famous 4-page inspection process after purchase on it. So you can rest assured that we're going to check all the plumbing, all the appliances, all the electrical, propane, safety equipment, and much, much more. So, and I'll put a link in the video description below to see a copy of everything that we're going to inspect and repair if needed for that $10,900 price. Pretty warm in here, guys, about almost 100. Front bedroom got a queen island bed, looks like a queen size, a house queen mattress, 60 by 80, and it's clean. Big closet across the front with storage. Looks like somebody left you a little vacuum cleaner in there. There you go. Like some curtains, corners look good. Foot of the bed, plenty of drawer space up top. Got some more. Privacy door for the bathroom, solid sliding door. Of course, it's got a furnace, water heater, everything you need, guys. Not bad. Heck, for right now, for a $10,900 camper, this thing's a steal. And like I said, if you want an awning, let us know. We'll see. We'll give you a price and availability. You know, a lot of people use awnings. A lot of people don't. You know, I was going to put one on it and just mark the price up, whatever the awning costs. But hey, I figured, hey, why pay for something you don't need? You know, for those of you who don't really give a flip about an awning, save you a little bit of money and don't buy something you don't need. Got surround sound speakers in it, or what they used for surround sound speakers back in 2006 model campers. Which is just direct pointed directional speakers, but they sound okay. Like I said, guys, it is what it is. You know, if you've been looking for travel trailers like I have and have absolutely frustrated, cussing mad, because everything out there is either junk, extremely overpriced, or already sold. And right now, when it comes to travel trailers, it's one of those three things or a combination of those three things. I mean, wow. You just won't believe what travel trailer, I can't even buy new travel trailers right now, guys. Right now, we're talking November, maybe December before I get my new RVs in, my new campers I've ordered, because they're so backed up at the factory. And what did they do during 4th of July? You know, they've been shut down for months for COVID. What do? They shut down the plant for a couple of weeks. Most new RV plants shut down 4th of July for a couple of weeks, even though they just opened back up a month before. I don't understand it, guys. Common sense just does not exist anymore in this country. But 10.9, here it is, guys. Absolutely 100% haggle-free, firm, non-negotiable. Don't care how you pay for it. If you want to finance it, we have financing available with approved credit and down payment. If you need delivery, we have delivery service available. Contact us for a quote. We can deliver nationwide, and it's free up to 100 miles one way. Includes a full 4-page inspection process, minus the awning, of course, included for the 10.9 price. And if you want to buy it as is, of course, we can give you a little bit of a discount. If you just want to take it like it sets and no checkout, no nothing, and we'll still run a generator to it, let you turn everything on and see what works and what doesn't before deciding to buy it. That's as fair as I can be on an as is. You know, because as is as is. There's no sense of mincing words or confusing everybody. When you buy something as is, well, if it breaks in half 200 feet down the road, guess what? You own both halves of it. Not saying that's going to happen, but I'm just using that for an example. But, you know, we will allow you to, we'll run a generator down here, plug it up, let you turn the air, the fridge on, lights on, play with it, whatever you want to do, before deciding if you want to buy it or if you just want to pay the 10.9 price and let us put it through the ringer and check everything and make sure it works. So if you want to know the current lead time for a travel trailer checkout, which is pretty quick, give us a call. We'll let you know. 706-965-7929. This is a 2006 Keystone Cougar 302 RLS. Very hard to find a used travel trailer. I've got it. This time tomorrow, I may not have it. Call before coming to look. Leave a deposit. If you want to buy it, leave a deposit. If you don't, it probably won't be here by the time you get here. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video because it's hot. Get an idea what you're looking at. You get 21 nights free camping, up to 7 nights at a time at select RV resorts nationwide for the 10-9 price, to be used in a 12-month period. You also get a full orientation that's done after service and cleanup, which is done after purchase, and everything's in writing. 52-year-old family owned and operated RV dealership here. I used to brag we carried 150 used RVs. I got about 60 right now, and those are selling quick. Like I said, welcome to COVID RV Sales 2020. Prices are up. Supply is extremely low, critically low. Everybody's low on inventory, and it's not just us. Believe me, I talk with a lot of different RV dealers. They're experiencing the same problem we are. Easy to sell. Can't find them to buy to stock. But thank you again for watching, guys. I'm shooting this on my GoPro. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick one. So let me know how it comes out as far as audio and video. I took it off of wide mode, put it to linear mode, so see how it looks when I hook it to my PC and do a little editing. But thank you again for watching, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia. Again, guys, call before coming to look. 706-965-7929. Check out the links in the video description below. Be one to my 4-page checkout process. It'll be one to my website so you can see what few travel trailers I have left in stock that doesn't already have a deposit or sold. Not many. I apologize. We're doing everything we can to restock, but it's frustrating to say the very, very, very least. And I couldn't imagine what a lot of y'all are going through looking for campers right now, especially in this price range. This is a hard price range to find one that includes a checkout that's in good shape. But anyway, guys, there's no smoke or pet odors in here. Forgot to mention that. No water odors, mold, or mildew. It's clean, just how it came in. So come out and look at it. You're not going to be disappointed. For an 06 model camper, this thing, you couldn't really ask for it to be much nicer. Thank you again. And call 706-965-7929, parkwayRVcenter.com, 5568 Battlefield Parkway, Ringgold, Georgia. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Feel free to give me a thumbs up, comments. Hey, I welcome it all, guys. The more you give me, the more my videos get shared, and you know, more it helps our business and my job. So feel free to comment, thumbs up, subscribe. I got a huge archive of videos you can look through, guys. But thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.